Assalamualaikum merit class. I hope you are doing good. In our previous lecture, we have learned about the robotics and its applications. Now we are going to start our new topic, that is the computer assisted translation. So, computer assisted translation is the abbreviation of CAT. CAT is basically a tool that will help us to assist in translating content from one language to another, right? I'll give you the example of it. The Google Translator, have you seen the Google Translator, right? The Google Translator has the ability to translate around 133 languages around the world, right? So that is the basic example of the computer assisted translation tool, right? So Google Translator is a software that can allow you to translate your content from one language to another, and it has the ability to translate 133 languages around the world, right? So our another topic is the machine learning, right? Machine learning is basically the branch of computer science that studies how computer can learn without being directly programmed, right? Means machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence, right, that uses algorithms that will train on data sets to create models capable of performing tasks that would otherwise only be possible for humans, right? The tasks which humans cannot do, which they cannot perform easily. So with the help of machine learning, uh, the humans have made it easier that to perform those tasks with the help of algorithms, right? So instead of being told exactly what to do, a machine learning system means learn from data without being explicit programming, right? So it will analyzes data, it will identify patterns and use those patterns to make decisions and predictions, right? So machine learning have made it easier for the humans to solve the uh, data sets with the help of algorithms, right, to make decisions or to make predictions. Okay, so it is the subfield of artificial intelligence, right? So for example, I give you the example of the web search engine. Have you seen the Google or the Bing app? You will write something, okay? You will request the Google or Bing to give you the answer, and in response, they will give you the answer. So these are the web search engines. These are the examples of the machine learning, right? Next one is the photo tagging applications. Whether it is Facebook or any other photo tagging application, it has the ability to tag friends, makes it even more happening. You can tag your friends, right, with the help of photo tagging applications, and that is also the example of the machine learning. Now another example of machine learning is the spam detector. With the help of this, you can use the Hotmail and Gmail that does a lot of hard work for us in classifying the mails and moving the spam mails to spam folder, right? So by a spam classifier running in the back end of the mail application, right? So this is also the example of the machine learning with the help of which you can classify the mails and move that mails to the spam folder. So, class, these are two topics which we have learned today. First one is the CAT, computer assisted translation, right? That is the app that is used to assist in translating content from one language to another. And the example is the Google Translator, which will allow us to translate 133 languages around the world. And another topic is the machine learning. So machine learning is basically the subfield of the AI that will analyze data, identify patterns, and use those patterns to make prediction and decisions, right? And I have given you the example of it: the web search engine, the photo tagging applications, and the spam detector.